Conduits of the aqueducts have disappeared because those were built in stone. Ancient Rome.
We're on a little tour with my bro Greggy, and I'll show it to you in a minute. Got you.
If I know people that are like that, we'll do that.
This is the part where I contract rabies.
Oh,
Sweetie. Hi, cutie.
Ciao, gatto.
We're on a tour.
Ciao, gatto.
I'm like fascinated.
My
by
dad
this cat.
Roma's kind of joke that the scarcity of
I feel bad for this guy.
Probably.
Hi.
Running around the streets leading to wild cats. Anna Magnani. Look her up. She's an incredible actress. One of the masterpieces she did some.
Wow.
Hated Mickey.
Let's go ahead and do a couple chapters down below and I'll point out a few things.
Topolino. Everywhere. We're in a church, by the way. It's one of the 7 basilicas. Some people need to go to church. Some people need to go to church.
I need
People need to learn.
because that's my asthma.
Yeah, Mike.
Sorry, you're like, but please in the vlog.
I'm gonna keep it.
I hate the smell of incense. It
She
bothers my
hates
asthma.
You got that right. Deanna is anti-church.
No, I love church. I just don't like the smell. It also smells kind of old.
Like just a bit. It's gorgeous. Just like keeps going. Sicilian pastry shop, I think, and they have some gelato here. What is that?
It looks like gummy
They look like
bears.
gummy worms, right?
Like gummy squares. Okay.
Please ignore. I'm gonna get it out of the frame. Yeah, okay, that's it. No, wait, I have to fix it. Help. Mom! So I did order the Sicilian gelato. It's really, really good. I don't really taste the difference, but I ordered an Italian and I feel really good about that. So that's exciting. Even in an Italian thrift shop, I can't escape the mouse. That poodle hat is straight from Disney World, and it's over here. Scusa. Topolino. E Topolino. I'm never gonna leave Disney. I guess that's not bad. So here in Italy, you don't just buy a slice of pizza. Well, you do, but they'll cut it right in front of you. You can make like a shape with your hand, and then that's what they will cut for you. They made it into a little sandwich. Double vlogging always, and then they'll weigh it for you. And you pay. This was €3, and it's amazing. I have zucchini, pesto, basil.
The president, Il Casa di Presidente.
So it's the president's house.
Yeah.
And what else?
And I was like, he lives here? And they were like, yeah. I was like, what?
Just stuff it upon the
Shit, it's not even that pretty, to be honest.
It's pretty regal with like the guards and everything. McGuire signed someone's arm. No one's asked me to sign their arm yet. I guess they don't know that I'm kind of popular here in Rome. I think maybe in a couple of minutes they'll realize I was thinking. Anyone?
You mean to say that you are shook?
I'm shook. I'm actually, yes, that's a perfect word choice.
Imagine when it's raining.
So the Pantheon actually has a hole in its ceiling. And then when it rains, all of the rain just comes straight through.
The other thing that I think is absorbent.
I want to scream to see what it sounds like.
This isn't even. Unless sometimes you talk on one side, you can hear it from the other side.
Really? Should I go run over there?
Yeah, you should.
Hello.
You talk on one side, you hear it on the other side. Oi! Call him Chuck!
call him Chuck.
Oh, I should explain that.
The echo.
That's
Wow.
amazing. Let the rain fall down, wash away. Let it wash away my everything. This man looks like he's finessing something.
Yeah.
Like good.